Chappelle too?
Yeah, I do. She's such an amazing teacher.
I love having Miss Chappelle. Learning bio makes me so happy. Right now we're learning about neurons and brain
Oh
development.
my god, no way. So are we.
Cool. I'll catch you later after to get to class.
Alright, I'll see you.
Bye. So today I'm going to be talking about neurons. So neurons send messages electrochemically. So what this means is that chemicals cause an electrical signal. So the chemicals in your body are electrically charged. So these are called ions. That means that they're either positive or negative. So important ones in the nervous system are potassium and sodium. These are both one positive charge each. And then we have calcium, which has two positive charges. And then there's chloride, which has one negative charge. So there's also some negatively charged protein molecules. You just have to remember that nerve cells, or neurons as we like to call them, are surrounded by a membrane. This allows ions to pass through, and it blocks the passage of other ions as well. So this is a semi-permeable membrane that lets some things in and some things out. And that's how the cell functions.
When a neuron is not sending a signal, it is at rest. Basically, the ions inside the neuron are potassium and aluminum. Additionally, any sodium that may be left in the neuron is taken out by chlorine. The concentration of sodium and chlorine outside of the neuron is higher. This is called resting potential. At resting potential, the membrane potential of a neuron is approximately -70 millivolts.
The resting potential talks about what happens when the neuron's at rest. So an action potential occurs when the neuron sends information down an axon away from the cell body or the sodium. So neuroscientists use words like spike and impulse for the action potential. So the action potential is essentially an explosion of electrical activity that's created by a depolarizing current. So this means that So action potentials are caused when different ions move across the neuron membrane, which is selectively permeable, as we discussed before. So a stimulus causes sodium channels to open. Because there's many sodium ions on the outside, the inside of the neuron is negative relative to the outside. So because we know sodium ions are positively charged, and if there's more outside, the inside is going to be more negative. So you know that when the neuron becomes more positive, it becomes depolarized. So it takes longer for potassium channels to open. So when they do that, potassium rushes out of the cell, and this reverses the depolarization that occurred earlier. So at about this time, the sodium channels that let out the sodium ions, those start to close. And so this causes the action potential to go back to our original -70 millivolts. We call this a repolarization. So it actually goes past -70, which is a hyperpolarization, because the potassium channels can stay open for too long. However, gradually they go back to resting levels, and then the cell returns to -70.
Go.
Whoa, what happened? Ayush, what happened? You're my brother, what happened? What's wrong with you? How could you do this?
Some things in common with all zombies, basically. They have two walk aimlessly towards some sort of